first we're gonna need a cup of water. And then we're gonna need a shampoo. You can use whatever you have. I'm gonna use this clarifying shampoo, but baby shampoo, if you have it, will be great. And I'm gonna use this dish cleanser. And we're gonna use any hair conditioner that you have. I love OC hair conditioner. It smells so good, like coconut, and I love coconut so much, and it's so amazing, really good. And I'm gonna use a bowl and a spoon to mix everything together. And of course, I'm gonna use this small spoon to measure everything. And I'm gonna use this small funnel to add everything to my bottle, which is a spray bottle, to mix everything and add everything inside. So that's it. Let's get started. Okay, let's begin our cleanser. So I'm gonna use my bowl to add everything together, mix everything in it. I'm gonna add my 1 cup of water. Of course, you can increase by increasing 2 or 3 cups. You need to increase the ingredient I'm gonna use. Anyway, now I'm gonna add half of tablespoon of the dishwasher. Actually, it's a little bit more than half. This measurement is about like 20 millimeter or 20 gram measurement, so it's a little bit more than 10 millimeter soup, and add this cleanser. And now it's time to add the shampoo, and as I told you, you can use a baby shampoo. It's perfect for you for using it to clean your brushes, but I love this because it's purifying and really cleans the hair. So of course it will clean my brushes perfectly. And I'm gonna add it to my water, as you can see here. And now it's time to add my conditioner. This one is a little bit bulky and it will take some time to mix to the water and ingredient and everything, because actually it's almost empty, but I love it so much and I love the scent of it. It's coconut and it's so amazing. So I'm gonna use what I have here. Of course, if the conditioner is a little bit liquidy, it would be great, but this one I love it so much, and actually it really condition my hair, so it will help to condition my brushes and make it super soft on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna add my conditioner now to my water. And now I'm mixing everything together. Okay, now it's time to add my mixture to my bottle. And as you can see, I'm adding 2 funnels because this one will not be really good. Actually, it's really small at the opening, as you can see here. I'm gonna add this one to have more control when I add my mixture inside my bottle. If you have a better funnel than that, it's okay, but I'm using what I have at home. So this is a disaster. And as you can see, it's a really big bulk of conditioner. That's why I'm gonna mix it more to make sure that this really big bulks really mix it in, and more smaller to be able to add it to my bottle. Now it's a little bit better, and as you can see, that's why I have a towel. As you can see, there's a little bit of mess, like I have the cleanser everywhere, so that's why I have the towel underneath, so it takes everything and makes my surface clean. And yeah, we're done. We made our DIY, as you can see here. Yeah, don't worry about the chunks of the conditioner, it will dissolve by time. Don't worry about it. And as you can see here, it's so lovely, so perfect. I'm gonna mix everything like this. Would be better to dissolve the conditioner. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. it. As you can see here, this is an older one that I was using, and as you can see, the conditioner is completely dissolved, and the solution is like so beautiful. So now it's time to clean. So let's jump into the next part and see how this cleanser works on dirty brushes. Okay, as you can see, I have like a wide selection of dirty brushes. I just wanted to give you a really nice review about how this DIY cleanser works on different kind of products. So I have blushes, I have powders, contours, and some foundation. The stippling brush have a foundation on it, and eyeshadows and eyeliner, everything. So we're gonna try on everything so you can see how this DIY really cleans everything and make everything look so beautiful and ready to go. So let's give it a try and clean our brushes. So I'm gonna start with this powder brush, and as you can see, it's really dirty, really need to be cleaned, and I love this brush so much because it's so fluffy and I use it all the time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray the cleanser all over my brush and make sure it's saturated and have a product everywhere, and then I'm gonna swirl my brush against my towel. This is a cotton towel. You can use tissue or a towel, but if you're gonna use a towel, you need to be sure it's a cotton towel. So I'm gonna swirl. As you can see, begin to be cleaned, and you can see the border on the border color. As you can see, the skin tone color on the towel, and I'm gonna spray again if I need it and begin to swirl in every direction. Don't put any pressure while swirling your brush, because just a little bit of pressure when you swirl, the motion and the cleanser will clean everything. As you can see, it's almost clean. I have just a small patch of powder, like kind of a dirty color in it, so what I'm gonna do, just apply more, 2-3 sprays and swirl again, and after I finish, I just go to a clean spot and make sure it's dry completely. And as you can see, it's so beautiful and looks so clean. So I'm gonna leave it to the side to dry. It will not take any time to dry. And now I'm gonna show you more intense color, which is the blush. As you can see, this brush, I love it so much. I use it like in every video. I love it so much for blush, and as you can see, it's really dirty, and here you can see the color on the towel. It's so amazing. I love this DIY. Really helps me to clean my brushes and do a great job to remove any germs or any dirty things. So when you use it on your face again, it will be clean and nice. So as you can see, almost clean. I just wanted to make these toothbrushes in detail so you can see the effect. So it's almost clean, just a little bit of color, that's normal, but it doesn't mean that it's not clean when you wipe it against like a clean spot of the towel. As you can see, just a little bit of color, and actually it's not too much. And as you can see here, looks so perfect and like clean, like I washed it under the water. It's so amazing, and the most amazing thing, it doesn't take time to be dry. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave you with like a speed up video to show you the rest of the brushes and how it's clean up and really looks so beautiful when I clean it. So yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. So I'm gonna talk about why you need to clean your brushes with a really quick cleanser, like whatever DIY or something that you buy in between really intense washes that you usually do, like after a couple of weeks or once in a month. It depends on how much you use your makeup brushes, of course, but it's really important to clean brushes after a couple of uses, like 2 or 3 times of uses, because you don't want to have any infection. Like if you have an acne prone skin, or if you have a sensitive skin, so you use your makeup brushes for the first time, so you have the germs and the, I don't want to say dirt, but the germs and the bacteria from your acne on your brushes. So the next time you're gonna use your brushes, so you are putting back these bacteria and these germs back to your skin. So if you have an active acne, or you are acne prone skin and you're trying to heal your skin, it's really important to clean your brushes as much as possible, because every time you use your makeup brushes and makeup tools over your face with these active acne going on your face, it's possible that you're gonna have more acne in the future if you don't clean the makeup brushes in a regular basis. So you are trying to clean your face and make your face clean, but in the same time you don't clean your makeup tools. This is a big mistake. You need to do it in the after every single use. If you have an acne prone skin, or if you have a very sensitive skin that's so sensitive to anything, so you need to make sure that your makeup tools and your makeup kit is clean as clean as possible. And also, if you have normal skin, combination skin, but not sensitive skin, like a normal skin, normal chick skin, it's very important to clean your brushes after a couple of uses, like 2 or 3 couple of uses. It depends on how much you use your makeup brushes, because as you leave your brushes in the open air, it's gonna collect dust and dirt and bacteria from the air. Even if you feel like everything is clean in your vanity, it will collect some dirt and some bacteria. So you don't want to add these stuff on your face again after a couple of days. So after a couple of uses, make sure to clean this quick cleaning. It would be perfect to clean the brushes like every once in a while until you clean it. The big cleaning under the tap water with your conditioner or your shampoo and soap, and just soak it in the water and leave it to dry for the whole day. So this quick DIY is really amazing to clean your brushes on a daily basis or on a regular basis, so you feel clean and fresh all the time. And at the same time, I'm not gonna take like a whole day to leave your brushes dry until you use it for the next use. So okay, as you can see here, these are my brushes. I just clean it with the DIY cleanser I just made, and as you saw, it's so amazing. The brushes is clean and nice. It's ready to go to use it myself or on my client. If I'm gonna use it from one client to other clients, this is a quicker and the most perfect way to clean your brushes, to make sure it's clean, there is no color transfer and there is no germ transfer. So it's pretty amazing cleanser. I love it so much, and yeah, clean brushes is amazing. So here's my cleanser. As I told before, these chunks will be dissolved after time, as you saw in the beginning of the video, so don't worry about it. Just from once in a while, just shake it and it will be great and begin to dissolve and become so amazing. So this DIY is a life-saving. I love it so much, and as you can see, this is my first brush I cleaned and it's completely dry. I can use it right now. It's just completely dry, and see how soft it is. It's just so amazing, so fluffy, so soft, so clean, so dry. And this is the second one, again, so clean, so dry, so soft and ready to go. So this cleanser is life-saving. I love it so much, and actually this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you tried this cleanser, and please leave me know in the comment section down below what you think about it, if you tried it and if you like it or not. And yeah, this is it. I really hope you love this video, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it, and comment, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and other social media. All these links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget the hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.